Good morning everyone. We have discussed in chapter
Dobereiner triads.
in which group of 3 elements are arranged by
Dobereiner
he is able to find only 3 triads, and at that time 33 elements were known, and after that Newland law of octaves, in which he states that first element having property similar to the 8th element. Now we will discuss NCERT questions, page number 81. First question: did Dobereiner triad also exist in the columns of Newland's octave? Obvious. When in the previous study means
Dobereiner triads.
all the elements were known. After that, when Newland starts the study, 56 elements were known, previous elements. So all the elements are present in Newland law of octave. Likewise, we will take example of Dobereiner first triad, that is lithium, sodium, potassium. All these 3 elements were present in Newland's law of octave or in his table. Second question: what were the limitations of Dobereiner classification? Demerits: Dobereiner could classify only 3 triads out of the elements present at that time. He is not able to classify rest of the elements in triads. For example, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic. In this case, when we calculate average atomic mass of nitrogen and arsenic, it is not equal to atomic mass of or approximate atomic mass of phosphorus. That's why
Dobereiner
triad's law is discarded, means it has limitation. And also he is not able to classify all the elements present at that time in the group of 3 elements, means triads. Third question: what were the limitations of Newland's law of octaves? As we know, Newland's law of octave is applicable up to calcium, means lighter elements. After this, there are certain heavier elements on which it is not applicable. It was assumed at that time 56 elements were known, and Newland said that no new element will be discovered in the future, which is wrong. After the discovery or his studies, other elements were discussed. Likewise, noble gases that will disturb the present Newland classification of the element, means after adding more elements in the future, then his sequence of similarity or periodicity between the first and 8th element having similar properties is not followed at all. In his table, he placed 2 elements in a slot, which is not allowed, means single slot having single element. And in some cases, likewise, iron is placed separately or far away from cobalt and nickel, means similar elements were placed separately, and in a single slot 2 elements were placed. That's all about this question.
Thanks for watching.